This roundup is full of boy baby showers with diversity and color and theme ideas. Study decorations and see how others have used party supplies to create cute boy baby celebrations. You will be inspired. 1. Yellow vintage baby shower. An amazing boy baby shower always includes adorable decorations, sweet printable details, a delicious assortment of desserts and charming details. This yellow vintage baby shower features the cutest duck printables, old children's books, gingham checks and vintage glassware. 2. Dream baby shower. The ethereal qualities of this dream baby shower will leave you speechless. A beautiful bed canopy hangs above the dessert table filled with dreamy desserts. Sheep and bunny sugar cookies, mini chiffon cakes, cake pops, and Rocky Road brownies in a jar are sure to leave you in a blissful sugar coma. 3. Confetti baby shower. A new baby definitely calls for tossing some confetti in celebration. This confetti baby shower is a unique theme and fun way to honor an expectant mother. Recreate the look by incorporating plenty of confetti-inspired dots throughout the decorations and treats. 4. Little monster baby shower. Light-hearted and colorful, this monster baby shower is likely to garner more grins than screams. The printable monster-themed decorations are more cute than scary, making it a darling idea for a boy's baby shower. 5. Circus baby shower theme. Welcome guests to the greatest celebration on earth with these vintage ticket-inspired circus invitations. Once they arrive, serve potato tots and paper cones displayed in mason jars and set in old soda crates. 6. Red, white, and blue baby shower theme. Summer babies, rejoice. A red, white, and blue theme at baby shower is a surefire hit for welcoming a baby boy. Star-spangled invitations get guests in the mood, and an over-the-top balloon garland will be the talk of the town, especially when paired with a make-your-own ice cream floats bar. 7. Sports baby shower theme. You can't miss with a sports-inspired baby boy shower theme, and these football whoopie pies with cinnamon cream are a delicious way to score points with guests. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.